In this video, I'll show you how you can fix AMD software detected that a driver timeout has occurred. The way that we can fix this is head over to Device Manager. From in here, find Display Adapters. Find your graphics card, right click and update driver, then search automatically and make sure you have the latest driver. After that, you want to open Registry Editor, as you can see in here, and you want to find this exact folder. Now you can see up here how to find it, but what you want to do is you want to find Local Machine, System, Control, and then you want to come down from the current control set, and then go in Control, and then in here find Graphics Drivers. Then once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to right click, New, D-word, and then you want to type TDR delay with capital T and capital D. Once you've made this, double click on it, value data set to 10, press OK, and then you just want to restart your PC and now it should work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.